The old Trailer Park Platinum, man.
Hey, KG1 Alex, what up, boss?
Keep going.
Okay, so I guess the purpose of today's video is we're gonna show off the color. And look at this, guys. All black. Look at how sick this is with the wood, dude. Oh yeah, look at him spin. We got Javier's truck back in here on the lift. We are gonna do an update video on this. I've been talking to Javier a lot lately, and he is down to show this thing off on the channel. We kind of saw it before, but now it's back here with a transmission failure, an OEM failure, not a installation failure. We gotta add that in for sure, but we are back here on Jake's truck today with a little update. You got it tore apart here this time, so if you guys didn't see before, this is Jake's 2015.
Yes.
Yep, steel body platinum, boy. Black, all blacked out. We kind of got cut off in the initial video where we showed this thing off because somebody was on the clock at the time.
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that.
Oh, yep, I'm getting yelled at.
Yeah.
There he is. What?
He's coming back.
Tickets are done.
Did you get written up that day?
We'll call it a write-up.
I got written up too. I got, well, verbally reprimanded saying no filming on company time no more. So there's strike one. I'm really never going to get a job here, but that is okay. I'm going to do what I do, but let's quick show them off the truck again. 4-door, platinum, debadged, right?
Oh yeah, the interior's...
Subs in the back.
The interior's a mess because I went to pull the cab bolts last night and the front two and the cab support decided they wanted to spin. So last night before I left, I went ahead and just, yeah.
So you're trying to lift it up. You're going to pull the whole cab?
No, I'm just going to pick it up a couple inches just to be able to get the room to get these upper intakes are a nightmare to get out.
Okay.
So I'm just going to lift the cab up just a little bit to be able to pull it out, the lower intake, and then when I get down there, I can pull the turbo out super easy, and then you can get to the up pipes and down pipe easier.
Okay, so I guess the purpose of today's video is we're going to show off the color, right? So right now we got the purple theme going, right? Because you have, what, some interior accents that are purple, right? We talked about that, and what, the exhaust tip was purple, which maybe we could get... Did you want to do like a different style?
I sure do. I want to get rid of that.
Get like a polished elbow?
Yeah, I want to do something different.
My buddy Porter sells them too, so we could probably get a deal on that, Porter, right? So that'd be sick. Are these 6s or 8s? We can't have these in the background. I keep getting distracted.
They are 6s.
Okay, they look like 8s. They are massive.
They are.
Anyways, guys, I'm sorry. I'm going to get sidetracked quick. Black and purple, but we got a new color. So let's see real quick. Let's just show it off. Let's get right to it. You want to show them?
Yeah.
Look at that bad boy right there. What color is that?
Whiskey Bronze.
Whiskey Bronze is what we went with, guys. Look at how crazy. And this is the brand new turbo, right?
Yes, sir.
Factory drop-in turbo?
Yep, OEM.
Yep. And what made you want this? Your other one blew up?
Yeah, so...
What's the story
there? I'll show it a little longer or later on in the video, but you can grab the other one and it makes a good clunk noise. It's got pretty good amount of play, and you can hear it hit in the face of the charger now. So I want it to be reliable, and I don't want to have a turbo blow up down the road.
You ain't lying. So anyways, the next video will be the full turbo installation. Not this one. This one we just wanted to reveal the color because you're going to show us exactly how to put one of these in. That's freaking sick. I could never do it, so I'm glad you're going to show us through that process here, but... yeah, so that'll look so good, that color in this engine bay, especially with some piping to match. We got HSP coming through for us, so we're going to see how well that color matches to that color right there. So you got this all tore apart. Bumper, headlights. Should paint match these suckers.
I know. I had
building headlights sucks, don't it?
I had one of my buddies, so we were talking, and I went out to his house the other night, and I was giving him a hard time because he's got a 6.7 work truck. And I was like, oh, your boss won't even notice. Let's just swap your headlights. And he's like, let's do it. Let's do it. I'm like, no, I'm not stealing your company's headlights, man.
Oh, nobody will notice. What else do we got over here? Boxes.
So upper intake, because this sensor is $110.
What?
This whole intake is like $130.
So
you might as well buy the whole intake that comes with gaskets, sensors, and everything.
Dang, no
and just
kidding.
replace the whole thing.
Wow, okay.
And then that is a lower oil pan. It's just a factory oil pan.
Okay.
So the last time I did the oil change on it, I noticed that my drain plug is stripped. So
did you take it to a dealership?
The oil change before the last one I did.
Oh my gosh, how does a diesel mechanic do such a thing?
Well, so I was on the road, didn't have time, and I was like, you know what? I'll just drop it off, have them do it real quick, and I'll go do my thing. They did the oil change. Didn't think anything of it. I did my oil change the next time, and it was stripped. So,
and that is how we learn life lessons.
I'm not going to blame them, but I'm also not going to.
I'm trying to put two and two together here for sure.
That they didn't help me out on that.
Okay, so we got all that tore apart. Some new items going in there. Everything else is good in the engine, or is there? Are there other wants, desires to change anything up in the future, or?
You know, I want to do a full piping kit, but those are very, very on the pricier side.
Yeah, hopefully we can just keep chipping away with HSP. You know, they work great with us, man. Great company, great products. They always take care of us. So once we get that stuff rolling in, we'll be able to show you guys, you know, as you go. I hate doing it out of order because then you're like putting stuff on and taking it out. So that's the con to piecing these builds together instead of buying it all up front.
And you know, the one thing about these 6.7s, they're really not that bad to work on. Like, they can be a pain, don't get me wrong, but they really aren't that bad.
Are the is the piping as hard as the LML, the L5P? Because I was doing some of those and I'm like, man, the hot side pipe, the cold side pipe, they can kind of be a little bit, I probably just don't know how to do it right.
If it's getting a full Y bridge, they can be a pain because the bottom 2 bolts, or the bottom 4 bolts suck to get to. But, I mean, it's fairly comparable. I would say these are way easier than like an LML.
Okay.
So
perfect. Yeah, I'm looking for another truck. I'm debating whether or not I should sell my trailer for a truck. But like I told Ovi, as soon as I trade the trailer for something, I'm gonna be mad. I have 2 trucks and no trailer.
Yep. Yep.
So I kind of just want to work my way up, I guess. But that marketplace is killer. I just want a rowdy, clapped out Rust with a bunch of miles and put some big wheels and some sounds to it.
That's the old Trailer Park Platinum, man.
I want this unit. I want this. You ain't got to tempt me too much, buddy. When it's done, the problem is once you get it right, you ain't going to want to get rid of it.
I know.
That's the idea.
She's starting to flake, and she's got her dents. That's from when it was lifted on 40s. I'll send you the picture. I took the whole 40 and stuffed it up into this bedside.
Keep on going. Keep going. Keep on going.
Keep going.
You're
good. You're fine.
We're good. Get all the way up on it. There you go.
What was that?
That's just the drive. 39 clear your whole back bed. Man, it's just like you gotta ready for that land.
Oh my god, what the fuck is this?
You get a picture for Jake so you can actually have a picture of it?
Man.
It was cool.
I'm sure that was a riot.
My buddy cut down a tree in front of his house, and he's like, oh, you can drive up on it? And I'm like, you're right.
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah, I made it up on it, but the bedside did not survive.
Yeah, it definitely did not. That's hilarious. I wanted to ask, too, when you powder coat a turbo, is there a chance this could burn off? Does it get hot enough to melt paint?
This side doesn't.
This side does, okay.
No, but this side will. So
okay, that's the one that gets red hot in the videos when they're doing burnouts and stuff? Okay.
So this side won't flake off, or this side, if we were to powder coat this, it would flake off.
Okay.
But this side won't because it's cold side.
Okay, perfect. So that's why they do it that way.
Yeah, and I couldn't tell you, I'm not a powder coater.
Yep.
But I've heard that powder coat's good in the realm of 400 or 500 degrees, somewhere in that area.
Okay. And this is more like 1400 degrees.
Yeah, this gets mighty warm.
Yeah.
And this won't get, I mean, that hot at all.
Okay, perfect. And where does it drop in this truck?
So the upper intake comes out, lower intake comes out, and then it sits down there underneath the lower intake.
Okay, perfect. So you'll get a shot of that in the next video of the old one. Perfect. How do you like doing the camera?
Don't make fun of me. It's not a good time.
We got the GoPro set up right here. It's great, man, and we just appreciate it because
it's a different feeling. I have a whole new respect for everybody that does it because you just get in front of it and you're like, don't look at me.
You're a natural on the camera, actually. I love it, dude, and it helps because you know what you're talking about. So we're gonna have some really good stuff coming. I just wanted to, number one, show you guys the truck again, and then an update on the paint color because the paint color is mint. Do you feel like you're gonna change any of the purple stuff inside, or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've been looking around. I'm actually gonna try and strip all that.
Like whiskey bronze, or just put black back in there?
You know, I really like the factory wood grain.
Oh yeah,
But
yeah.
I don't know what this truck was optioned with because everything's painted black, so I don't know if it has the
Gotcha.
silver
So you got to
option.
pull the VIN and do a bunch of research.
What I was gonna do is I was just gonna take one of the panels off and then get some like lacquer thinner or paint remover and just try and take the base layer. Because if I can take just the top layer of paint, I should be able to tell if it's the wood grain or the silver.
Gotcha.
And then I can go from there. If
Yeah.
it's the silver, then I know I need to buy the wood grain. But if it's already the wood grain, then I need to take the time and just strip it all.
Perfect. Yep. And mirrors are good. These aren't lights.
Yeah,
We got to get them.
Yeah, there's yeah.
What up, Boost Auto?
So these are just some cheapy Amazons. They were in the truck when I got it.
Yeah, for sure.
They whistle going down the road. It's a good time.
Yeah. Turbo whistle or mirror whistle?
Yeah, you
whatever's
can't-
louder.
You can't tell.
I love it.
On that other side, I was I've been hiding this, but so the plastic cracked right here,
Yep.
so you can see my fancy electrical tape job.
Oh, let's
because
blur that out.
it was beyond loud. You couldn't drive down the road without it piercing your ears.
Man, come on
it
now.
would get in that plastic and just scream.
Yep.
So
I totally get it.
before me and her went on the road trip, she's like, "You got to do
Gotta
something
fix
about
that thing because
So I
we
was
need
like,
windows down. It's nice out.
all right, I'll fix it.
Hey, KG1 Alex, what up, boss? Here we go. Look, we need to put them on this unit. Come on.
They don't spin.
Oh, that's poverty right there.
It
bro.
is. It is.
I need floaters too, man. I got the poverty. All right, well, I just wanted to show them the color in this video, so I'll let you get back to work on this and get to that camera stuff.
All right.
Let's freaking go. We just have way too much interest in this truck. Ever since we gave away the upfitter switch, somebody wants the engine. It's not there. Somebody wants the tailgate, which I'm gonna look at, and then somebody wants the whole truck. Everybody wants everything out of this thing. What a mess in here. Maybe it doesn't even, oh, it does have a tailgate. How bad is it? All right, let's walk around here. Here's that tailgate there, boss. That don't look too bad. Jeez, look at the entryway now. We got landscaping, we got lights, we got little shrubs, mulch, and look at this, guys. Wow, this entryway is crazy. Drop box, lighting, all black. Look at how sick this is with the wood. Dude, they've spent a lot of time working on this. Man, we need to get some shots at night, but this thing probably lights up crazy. Even gonna add LED strips into the wood there. Boy, that is insane, guys. You guys gotta stick around.